Welcome back. Today we are crossing the Penobscot River into Milford, Maine. Milford sits about 25 minutes northeast of Bangor. With a population of just over 3,000 people, it is a growing town with many opportunities for employment. This riverside community is a fantastic launching point for all manner of sports activities, from fishing, hunting, four-wheeling, kayaking, and cycling. There are many services here in town. If you have construction needs, you can contact Thornton Construction. There's also a very unique business here in town. You can find them on the internet, the myceliumemporium.com. They grow high-quality mushroom cultures and ship them all over. Agua Hair Studio is here for your hair cutting needs. Here on the corner of Ferry Street is this Queen Anne Victorian-style Congregational church, built between 1883 and 1885. One of Milford's daughters went on to be a prominent author, publisher, and wife of Secretary of Defense Caspar Weinberger. Milford Motel on the River has very good ratings on Google. Are you needing a treat? Coffee? Stop by Rosie K's Cafe and Bakery. Are you needing any tree harvesting, bulldozing, lot beautification? Give Madden Sustainable Forestries a call. Lindsay Foundations will take care of slabs, retaining walls, floors, concrete driveways, sidewalks, repairing cracks, and also waterproofing. Stop by Sunrise to Sunset Nursery and Greenhouse. We'll take care of your growing and gardening needs. You can check them out on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click like to make the YouTube algorithms happy.